Ingredients we need: plums, 5 or 6 potatoes, 1 egg, flour, pinch of salt, 1 spoon of melted butter, powdered sugar, cocoa, ground poppy, breadcrumb coating. Utensils we need: a cooker, 2 big bowls, individual small bowls, plates, a saucepan, a stainless steel sieve, a grater, small saucepan, wooden rolling pin, wooden pastry board, wooden cooking spoon, knife, cutlery, knife and fork.
Dear friends, let us show you our cooking skills in cooking plum dumplings. Before peeling potatoes, boil them in hot water and then peel the potatoes.
Beat an egg and add it to the potatoes. Then add some flour and pinch of salt. Mix the dough. Roll the dough. Cut it into squares. Put the half of plum in the middle and shape the balls.
Melt butter and bring salted water to boil with pinch of salt.
Throw the balls into hot water. Cook the dumplings for about 12 and 15 minutes.
Take the dumplings from the boiling water with sieve.
Put them into the big bowl and cover with melted butter.
Serve it with the ground poppy and dust with powdered sugar or with breadcrumbs coating or with cocoa and also dust with powdered sugar.
Enjoy!